Hi guys, today we're going to continue with beginners lesson 2. We are going to continue working with cylinders, and here I need a part to create a pivot. As the joint rotates 90 degrees the opposite direction, I need a way of maintaining the rod that connects to the motors that are on top. This part is 0.68 inches of the cylinder circumference, and the thickness is 0.3. I'm going to maintain the same measurements on the other side, but I'm going to separate them by about 0.25 inches apart. So let's get started. Our part is 0.68. Half of that is 0.34. And our part is going to be 0.3 thick. And this is what we are asking the computer to do. I will do a small hole in the middle. So I'm going to copy, Control C, Control V, and I'm going to make that hole 0.125. I'm going to remove the center. I'm going to copy this part that I have done. Control C, Control V. I'm going to separate it. From here, 0.25. And I'm going to rotate the part 90 degrees. I'm going to join those two pieces by a square. For now, let's make it 0.3 by 0.3 by 0.3. I can see that I cover this part completely nicely, but not here. So I'm going to select this and move the face there. I'm going to join all the parts. And there we go. Sometimes you will see this separation on parts. That is due because the position where I placed this was not perfectly aligned with this. If you need to fix this, you don't have to, but if you are particular and you like to make sure that all your parts are exact, all you have to do is try to move it and click on the surface, and that will remove it. You have to go to the other side because they're not the same. Move it, And there you go. All right, let's try to print this part and see how it works. Here's the part. As you can see, it can rotate in both directions. The part is a little rough, as I said, because it's PT. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this short video, and I'll see you next time. If any questions or you need me to design a custom part, just let me know and I will make a video for you guys. Thank you.